Hello, I'm going to tell you how to create the emails from the calling list that we have. We have the name of the coach in the school, but we don't have the emails, so we have some rules for the emails according to the school boards and the name of the school and the name of the coach, like high school ones, K to 6 and K to 8. I want to tell you how to create emails based on these rules. If I open high school ones, you can see that the first column is school board. The second one is the company, which is our school's name. And the third one is the email that we should follow. For example, for First Nations School, sorry, the one that I selected has no rules, but the other ones, like this one, has first initials dot last name at tvdsb.on.ca. So if we have any coach name for this school, we can create the email for that coach according to this rule. Right now I will show you how to do that for example, soccer. All of the data that we want to work on are located here in the external drive, calling and completed. And we have a folder called done. When we are done with AB soccer that I'm telling you right now, then I should put it in done. And we have one tracking here, which we should fill it when we are doing something. Right now, for example, I'm working on this file, so this is my file name in the tracking, and today is May 22nd. I'm working on this file, and when I'm done with creating the emails, I just put yes and then the number of emails that I could create for this file. Okay, after that, these files should be ready for importing into ACT, which is not your job right now. I just want you to fill all the information according to emails just. So this is the file that we have. According to color coding for colors, we have yellow, which means that we have new information. So the easiest way is that we sort according to yellow ones. If I select all of these ones and sort them based on colors, you can see that I have all the yellow ones at once. So here are all the information that we have for these coaches: soccer, soccer girls, junior, senior, and something like that. Sometimes in our file we have only the school's name, nothing else, like school board or something like that. Like here, we don't have any school board, so we cannot follow the rule according to the school board. We should find the company name, which is our school's name, in our list. So the first thing that you should do is copy these 3 columns into a new Excel file and just sort them like this: company, personal email, and school board. I will select all of these ones to the end. And then put them as email. Okay? Now, I have the company that I want to find. So I just select this column, copy, and bring it to the file that I created right now and put it here. Now we need to make a formula for having all this information here. I use VLOOKUP this cell should be matched in the email that I created right now, and then it should return column 2, which is the email rules. So you can see that for this school, this is the rule. So if I put like this, I can have all of those ones at once. Okay. And then you can continue till the end. Now I need to copy this part into the file that I was working. Okay. So I just copy this and paste special as just value so that I don't have the formula anymore. Here, if we want to work easier, we can bring these ones next to the school's name, but if not, we just need to insert something here, which is this column. We just Control C and bring it here. Okay, so if I want to create the email for these soccer boys senior, I just follow this one. It said that it should be first name dot last name at blackgold.ca. So the email will be a1 dot wayne at blackgold.ca. This is the way that you should create the emails. Okay, next one. I said that first name dot last name again. So Martin dot Anderson at epsp.ca. Sometimes we have just like this. It said that first letter and then last name. So it should be just L Granier at rdpsd.ab.ca. So please pay attention to the rules that is written here. It said first initial, middle name, middle initial, and then last name. If it has any of these ones, you should put it here. First letter, last name, or first name dot last name. You should follow exactly what's going on here. After you are done, okay, you should count how many emails you have. That, for example, we have here till here I have 68 contact. So definitely I should have 68 emails for this part. And also for this one, I should check how many do I have after creating, okay? Some of them are 0. It means that in the list that we had here, if I go through and find that school, I can see that, like here, I don't have any rules for that school. But maybe for that school board, I have something. So after you are done with this part, when we are done completely, we just sort it here, unselect, and just select 0 ones. Okay, for example, for this one we have only 6, which has no email rule. We should try to find if we can. So I just searched this school name in the rule sheet that I have. And I can find it. You can see that it has no email. Then I searched the school board to see if I can find it anywhere or not. So we can see that you don't have anything. So for this one, we cannot do anything. So we don't have any email. We just put equal sign here. For the other one, you should go through and search. Maybe some of them we can find in the other school boards. So this is the school board, then I should find the school board, and this one but it doesn't have. So this one again, we don't have anything. Let's search another one. But this is the way that you should do after creating all those ones that you can create easier. Okay? Then try to find the rest. So it means that it doesn't have any. Okay. So this is exactly the way that you should create the emails for each sports. For each of these files that we have here, we have around 32 because one is tracking and 3 are the rules. So when you are done with this file, you just need to save it. But if you think that you will destroy everything inside the one, just first of all move or copy and then create a copy of that one, and so that this is the main one, but before doing these things, and then worked one, so that if you ruin anything, you can come back to the main one and then copy and start from the beginning. Okay? Thank you for watching.